Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be making a deliciously creamy chocolate cake that's gluten and dairy free. It's also much more healthier than the classic chocolate cake. To bake this cake you will not need an oven as we will be making it on the stove top. So let's make this delicious chocolate cake. In a saucepan combine 1 cup of the following ingredients, and that's polenta, soy milk or any vegan milk of your choice, and water. Once you've done this, turn the heat to a medium and then stir everything until the consistency begins to thicken. Don't worry if the milk begins to clump. As long as you keep stirring, it will all become smooth again. Remove it from the heat once you've achieved this consistency. Then in a heatproof dish, bowl or tray, transfer the mixture. Then add the following ingredients, that's 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix everything all together until it's well incorporated. Then we're going to add in some cacao powder, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, and mix everything. Add some cinnamon to this. Transfer the bowl to a pot filled with water and steam this for 40 minutes. Once the cake has been steaming for 40 minutes, we're going to refrigerate it up to 12 hours or overnight, and then it will look like this once it's been refrigerated. I'm going to decorate it using desiccated coconut, but you can use any topping of your choice. And now you've made this delicious, creamy chocolate cake. And if you like this recipe, subscribe to keep up to date with more delicious, healthy recipes. Thank you for watching.